Hey everyone, so we are going to continue dividing polynomials using synthetic division. This is number 7 from your worksheet, and the difference here is we're missing some terms, right? So I have 3u to the 4th, but I don't have any u to the 3rd, any u squared. And so when you're doing your synthetic division, the process is pretty much the same. You just kind of have to add some pieces in. So u plus 1 will take that positive 1 and change it to a negative 1. And I'm going to take my coefficient. So I'm going to start with 3 because that is the leading coefficient. And then if you think about, well, what could my coefficient of u to the 3rd be? What could it be if you don't see the term? It has zeroed out, right? It has canceled out. And so the only coefficient that you can have to make this cancel out is 0. And so the coefficient of u to the 3rd is 0. The same thing for u to the 2nd, and then 10u, and then a positive 7 is your constant. So the process is the same. We're going to bring down the 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, and add these two. So 0 plus negative 3 is negative 3. And I'm going to multiply negative 1 times a negative 3 gives you a positive 3. When we add these two together, it gives us 3. Negative 1 times 3 gives us a negative 3. And 10 minus 3 is 7. And negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. So this is your remainder. Your remainder is 0. And so remember, that means that u plus 1 is a factor of 3u to the 4th plus 10u plus 7. Okay, and so like we said, we like to go backwards. So that's my remainder. Here's going to be my constant. Here's going to be my coefficient of u. So 3u, be careful not to go back into using x, right? The variable here is u. This is going to be my coefficient of u squared, and this is going to be my coefficient of u to the 3rd. So when I divide 3u to the 4th plus 10u plus 7 by u plus 1, I get 3u to the 3rd minus 3u squared plus 3u plus 7. And our remainder is 0, so we do not need to write it.